Welcome to our Invisible Forces video series, where we explore forces that you can't see with your naked eye. Brought to you by SciExchange and Let's Talk Science.
Hi everyone, my name is Mayet, and I'm in my final year of the Biomedical Sciences program at Ryerson University, and I'm super excited to be here to talk to you guys about one of my personal favorite invisible forces, inertia. Now, what exactly is inertia? Well, the technical definition of inertia is an object's tendency to resist changes to its state of motion. Sounds a little complicated, but I think I have a scenario that can break it down for you. So imagine you're on a tightly packed bus and there's no seats available. It's kind of annoying that you gotta stand, but you do what you gotta do. Now imagine that the bus is going full speed and all of a sudden at a red light comes to a complete stop. What happens next? Well, as you can imagine, you probably lean forward and almost toppled over. Well, that reaction is because of inertia. Even though the bus stopped moving, you continue to move, which caused you to lean forward. Now, inertia is all around us. Inertia could be the ball that's on the ground and not moving, or the pencil that's on the table and not moving. So, bottom line is, inertia is everywhere. It's kind of crazy to think about. One of my favorite fun facts about inertia, it was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. Yes, the same man who also discovered gravity. That being said, inertia and gravity aren't the only invisible forces out there. There are other really cool forces too, like one of my other favorites, magnetism. Now, magnetism is responsible for a lot of great inventions that we have today. Without magnetism, we wouldn't have phones, we wouldn't have fridges, PS5s for those who like to game, even machines that detect cancer. Well, that's really it for me. I can go on and on and on about invisible forces, but I don't want to do that to you. I just hope that you enjoy learning about inertia and a little bit about magnetism, and next time you get on a bus that's super packed or you want to play on your PS5, just think about all the great invisible forces out there that allow us to do these things. Bye!